TikTok's gonna make you buy it. I think I've discovered the legal performance enhancing drug that's safe for adults and kids. Hi, my name is Angela and I'm into all things homeopathy. So my neighbor was taking a study group with me, and her son, who's like 10, had his first time pitching at baseball. She said he was so nervous, and she was like, "What's that thing that you give for when you're nervous?" I said, Gelsinium 200 homeopathic remedy. So while her kid didn't get to pitch, he did hit, and he hit a home run. Now, we all know your mental game is just as important as your physical game, so Gelsinium just gave him the calm to help him focus and have a good time. It worked so well, she also recognized that he was a little bit nervous about taking some standardized testing. She gave him a dose in the morning, and he was ready to go. He reported that he was happy to continue to take that for each test that he had. She was interested, so she tried a dose and just said it just relaxes you. It doesn't make you tired. It's just great at that performance anxiety, test anxiety, presentation anxiety, whatever. So as we come up on testing season and all-star tryouts, might be something to have on hand. As that anxiety comes on, I just take one dose, which for me is one pellet under the tongue and cool as a cucumber. Got it linked in the comment below, or you can check it out at the link in my bio. Follow for more homeopathy tips.